Delicious. So we have, whoa, oh my god, we had, okay, just a sec. Essence has a new liquid lipstick and I got all of the shades to do lip swatches today. Also I wear this to see if it is long lasting. And we have here the 8-hour matte liquid lipstick. It claims to be comfortable, kiss proof, long wearing with a not drying formula. Also that it has a matte finish. We have 8 shades and each of them is €2.99. We are getting 2.5 milliliters, like with a lot of liquid lipsticks. I'm really excited to try this because it's been almost 3 years since the previous formula and I'm very curious to see if we have here one of the best drugstore liquid lipsticks. All of the liquid lipsticks are cruelty free and vegan like all of the Essence products. Let's start with some swatches on my arm because the first 4 colors are very beige and they look very similar, and the remaining liquid lipsticks are more pink and red based. This is the shade Cinnamon Spice. Then we have Silky Hazelnut. The next one is Soft Beige, and here we have Rosy Nude. They stain a little bit the skin. I have tried to remove the lipsticks with the Nivea makeup wipes. To completely remove all of the color, I have also used the L'Oreal eye makeup remover. We have here the shade Pink Blush. And then let's continue with Cool Mauve. The next one is Dark Berry. And following that, we have Classic Red. On my lips now I have one of the new lip glosses by Essence. This one is the Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in the shade 11 Power of Nude. And actually on my face today I have tried all of the new Essence makeup products. So I'm going to post this video in a few days. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Ding ding ding. So I'm going to remove this one. My lips today are very smooth and that's because I have been using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Chocolate. This one is super moisturizing and I can really see a difference with my lips. That's why I don't have a lot of dryness. However, I'm going to exfoliate because with liquid lipsticks you can really see the dryness. So I have here the e.l.f. Cookies and Cream. Nope, Cookies and Dreams. And this is a lip exfoliator. I really like using it because it is in a tube and it is super convenient. I'm just pressing it on my lips. If you don't have time to use a lip exfoliator, you can also use a kitchen paper. I thought I said chicken. Then I'm pressing and let's remove it. Super smooth. I'm applying just a tiny bit of concealer because I have redness. I'm gonna start off with the shade 1 Cinnamon Spice. And we have a very beautiful chocolatey shade. We have a doe foot applicator with a tear duct shape. Also it has a small dent in the middle, but it's not a hole. Ooh, super creamy. It has a very slippery formula, but also super comfortable. Okay, so this is with just one swipe and I want to find a Q-tip before it completely dries. And okay, I can also clean the edges a little bit. The formula is very lightweight. This color is super gorgeous. It has a cool tone finish and very nice opacity. Love it! Let's do the kiss proof test. Wow! And it's been around 2 minutes. Okay, this is definitely transfer proof. It is completely matte, but it gives the impression that it is satin just because it is not drying. It doesn't transfer when I'm pressing my lips together. Also, the packaging is very similar to what we had 3 years ago. This one is the Stay 8-hour matte liquid lipstick. I have also done lip swatches for this one. I'm going to have a link in the description box. The new packaging is more elevated and aesthetic. I prefer it. I think it is super gorgeous. Also something about the packaging. This is the actual product that you see in the tube and this is what you're gonna get as well. I was very curious and I was moving around the doe foot applicator. Now let's go to the shade 2 Silky Hazelnut. I have used a makeup wipe to remove it. Then a tissue paper just to blot the excess product. And now I'm taking just a little bit of concealer and I press it around the lips. Silky Hazelnut. Delicious! You have some time to press your lips together and move the product before it completely dries out and also to clean the edges. And this is with one swipe again. I think it looks amazing. The doe foot applicator is super easy to use to outline the lips, also to fill them in. It is saturated with a lot of product to apply on both lips with one swipe. This one is a little bit warmer than the previous one. Kiss proof test. Yeah, I think I have just a little bit of color here, but it is the outline, so maybe I applied more product. It's not so noticeable. It looks so nice. Let's go to the next color. This one is in 3 soft beige. Let's remove again. After that, I'm going to do a lip mask. Hydrate the lips again. And this one is a light peachy beige lip color. It is super cute. You can also use this one with the 2 previous brown lip shades on the center of the lips to create an ombre effect. That's fantastic. Another thing that I like about the doe foot applicator is that it has a very small curve and it can hug the natural curve of my lips. It dries fast, but it's not drying, and it can go very well with a chocolatey brown smoky eye look or a brown eyeliner. And then let's go to shade 4, Rosy Nude. We have a very, very light, sweet chemical scent. It's almost scentless. Ooh, that's super pretty. It is very wearable and I really like it. I think it's gonna look amazing for every day. Very nice and soft. Kiss proof test. Check. I don't see something pink on my lips, so I don't know why it is called Rosy Nude. Also in the arm swatches, I don't see something rosy. I have also done on a tissue. It is this one here. So I don't see this rosy. Where is it? Moving on to the first pink shade. It is called Pink Blush. This is gorgeous. Before it completely dries, we have some time to clean the edges also with this lip shade. Oh, I think I need some here. What happened? This one is also transfer proof, super nice, and we have here a beautiful rosy pink shade. It has a little bit of lavender as well. Super beautiful for spring, also very wearable for every day. If you want to add some color to your everyday makeup looks, why not? I think it can look amazing on any skin tone, and the formula is so nice and spreadable. So the next shade is 6 Cool Mauve. Okay, I thought this was gonna be a lot harder to remove, but I think it's exactly the same effort. Oops, I made a boo-boo here. I need to clean it very fast. This is a beautiful light purple shade, purple lavender. It is also very wearable. This can look super beautiful with something purpley or pinky on the eyes. Transfer proof. Oh, it's not completely dry on the upper lip. It looks very, very smooth. And the next shade is 7 Classic Red. This one is staining the skin, so I will need to use concealer to clean it up. For this one, I had to apply just a little bit more product on the upper lip, so I could give it more opacity, but it was very easy and it looks very nice. It wasn't exactly one swipe, it was 1.5. Here we have a beautiful bright royal red. It is very luxurious, very elegant. I really like it. This one can also make my teeth brighter. I love that. And it has a little bit of color here, most likely because I applied more. So we have, whoa, oh my god, we had, okay, just a sec. Next time, applying κάποιο λόγο πέταξε ένα liquid lipstick. Found it. Oh my goodness. We have one more shade. This one is in dark berry. I'm also gonna keep this for the wear test. Let's be fast to clean the edges. Yeah, this one also stains the skin. For the last 2 shades, definitely outline with the same color of lip pencil and then use the liquid lipstick. I'm not using lip liners just for the review today. Oh no. No, I made a boo-boo. I'm making it worse. I will clean it and come back. For this one, I applied 2 coats to make the color more intense, but with 1 coat, it was very wearable as well. It looks phenomenal. With this lip shade, you can apply just mascara on the eyes and you're gonna have a super elegant makeup look. It is a dark berry shade. I really like it. I'm curious if it has completely dried, so let's find out. Oh, I have a little bit because I applied more. I really like the color selection of the liquid lipsticks. You can mix and match. They can look amazing on a lot of skin tones. I'm really hoping it is long lasting as well. Wish me luck. Hi gorgeous, it's the very next day and all day long I have been wearing the liquid lipstick. The first 3 hours was looking very decent, however once it touches water or coffee, the formula emulsifies and it's not transfer proof anymore. Every time I was drinking water the color was fading, but it was not looking patchy. Lunchtime came and I had a salad, so a lot of color was removed from the lower lip and I really needed to reapply some after that. It was super easy to retouch and it was looking smooth again. You can see here how it looks after 5 hours. Yeah, it faded and it looks patchy and also drier. I would say that you need to reapply this every 3 hours so it can look smoother. I'm going to retouch a little bit. I'm going to let the first coat to dry a little bit and then I'm gonna apply the second. The nice thing is I don't have bleeding. What you see is the color faded. You can fix that with a lip pencil all over the lips, or you can also use a lip stain. You can see some redness, but this is my natural color. I don't have foundation on today. I just have some concealer, mascara, brow gel, lipstick, no makeup day. So with the second retouch, it still looks very smooth. I'm a little bit sad that it's not so long wearing. However, I like a lot the doe foot applicator, also the opacity of all of the shades. I like a lot of the shades. I would say my favorites are cinnamon spice, silky hazelnut, and also pink blush, but also I like what I have now on my lips. I got a lot of compliments about this shade. I have also tried a super viral liquid lipstick. You can watch my review here.